Yes.
Okay. Rashida, do you believe that it was one time? You do not. Shirley, do you believe it was one time?
Who cares what Shirley said?
You know what? Things still aren't adding up to me. Did you have sex with her with a condom or not? Seems like there's a little confusion there too. But me myself, no, I don't believe that.
Yes, I lied at first. Rashida, no, you tell. She looking at me like, what's on?
We heard Kirk say, well, we weren't getting along. Do you feel like that's any type of justification for what has happened?
Of course not. And you gonna go through. I mean, damn, I don't know if there's a lot of people even in this room who can relate to a 17-year marriage. The fire ain't hot all the goddamn time. The mistake was the communication mistake to say, you know what, Rashida, come on, we need to get our together. And that's what gets lost in a relationship a lot of times, is you're not communicating and you're not working together to figure out what the problem is. Then you go do some like that.
You know, I don't have no superpower to rewind the time. It's like, I know she's hurt. We've probably been asleep for weeks straight.
I'm looking at Scrappy and Dr. They kind of have their heads down while you're talking, like they're feeling your pain.
He said that like it was
effective.
But on the show, he was like, it's been 9-10 months. Like, he sized it.
I ain't gonna lie, 9-10 months.
He was like, it's been like 9-10 months. And she like,
you didn't care because of how you was acting, but that's just how he is. You know what I'm saying? He really cares. I know it's real. Ain't nothing about that produced.
Scrappy, you're very close with Rashida. You know, you said often, like, that's like my sister. How do you feel about the situation? Because I feel like you have to be stuck in the middle at some point.
It blows my mind. I've been on any people since I was a little guy. They like the most loveliest couple I've ever seen. But that to even be like that, that's mind-boggling. You feel me?
Rashida, is this a lot of pressure to feel like you are this iconic couple to people and they look up to you?
You don't never, I wouldn't wish this for nobody.
Sorry.
I did it.
I'm crying. See, that's what I'm talking about. At the end of the day,
I was like, oh my God,
It's
what
like-
I do in my life?
When you in a marriage commitment and I grew up with this man,
Bitch, I paid for it.
and he's
Like,
hurt
give me the
me,
money. I said, no, we're not
and it's
gonna do
crazy because he's also helped me grow to become the woman I am today.
that. I can't go.
But when you hurt somebody that you dismantle a bond, that's the hardest thing to get over. Heartbreak is like the worst thing to get over. And I don't want to cry no more, I promise y'all. I said I didn't want to cry about this no more because at the end of the day, this is a lesson. But more than anything, this is a lesson for you to understand what you've done. You know, we have children, and that's the main thing that bothers me, is we have children who look at you like a superhero. You are a father, and for you to do this, you didn't think about all consequences of this. And not only did you hurt me, but you broke me. Did you realize the power of your relationship? Jock is crying.
I didn't even know.
I see Mimi crying, Sierra's crying. I've never seen the whole cast cry about one relationship. That's how powerful the bond that you guys have is. I just want you guys to work for your family, for your kids. I know things happen. Nobody's perfect. Kurt.
Do I love Rashida? I love Rashida to death. That is like my soulmate. You know, when you get yourself in a situation, you just get there. You know, you just gotta figure it out. I just pray that things get better.
It got a little heavy in here, so we're gonna take a break. When we return, Rashida may know we were that but Kirk's results are still in my hands. We'll put Mr. Frost to the test. I love it about Atlanta.
He fucked up. See, I ain't gonna lie, yo. That's the one thing about being on the show, though. Now you can't, you know. It's one thing when you tell them,
Really?
They don't deserve to be
but
here.
yo, at any time on the internet, you can record, you show
Returns tonight.